Welcome back. Daryl here with 205 Motorsports. Today I'm with a buddy, going to show off his truck. So this is Leland, and this is his 03 2500 HD. So I'll let Leland take it from here.
It's a 2003 2500 HD, 605 speed truck, 4-wheel drive. It has a 6-inch rough country lift on it, 20 by 10 hostile wheels. It's got a GM hot cam, Speed Engineering long tube headers with X-pipe and 2 Flowmasters. It's got a Whipple Supercharger on it, making around 6-8 pounds of boost. It makes around 450 horsepower and 500 foot-pounds of torque at 4,000 RPMs.
Pretty good numbers. Let's go ahead and see that Whipple.
It's an older edition side mount, but it still makes pretty good power.
Cool. Normally you'd see the 6.6 liter Duramax diesel under here, but a Whippled 6.0, not only a Whippled 6.0, but a cammed and Whippled, is those numbers are pretty impressive for this old gal. Around a 35
1250 20s, Toyos. Quiet, good riding tire, good mileage on them.
Mm-hmm. Who did your lift?
Nothing but lifts. My good buddy Brett Sparks owns Nothing But Lifts. I work there part-time, and all the work to the truck has been done in-house.
Sweet. Local shop there if you need some work done. That's the guy to go to. All right, well, short and sweet. Appreciate you showing it all for us. You want to take us for a ride now?
Yeah, let's go for a ride.
All right, Leland, so making about 450 horsepower. Have you had it on a dyno?
Yes, it was through my Blake Fondren and Evan
this.